What's up, everybody? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and I'm making my way to Fort Collins, Colorado, to the E-Team HobbyPlex. We're going to do some tiny whoop racing tonight, but it's not just your regular tiny whoop race. It is a relay race, so it's going to be heats of, I think, 12 minutes apiece, and we're going to be trading on and off batteries. So my partner, you guys will see him in a little bit here, and yeah, but before we do that, I got to make a quick pit stop, so hold on.
What's up, guys? It's Evil Monkey, you know.
Are we on it?
What's up, guys? It's the
Are we on
FPV
it?
Evil Monkey, you know, the Tiny Whoop Life. If you don't know who Evil Monkey is, you need to, because you're tripping.